Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating recovery media. This is the safety net that saves time later. Plug in an 8 GB USB and open Recovery Media Creator or Windows Media Creation tool. Choose Create Installation Media for another PC. Once done, make sure to select the correct language and 64-bit or 32-bit option that matches your system, because using the wrong build can block drivers. You should also copy any unique product keys or BitLocker information off the system, so you don't get locked out during recovery. You now boot from the USB repair media and diagnose the issue. Restart, press the BIOS key, and set the USB drive first, then save and continue. Once the recovery environment loads, choose Troubleshoot, because this section exposes tools like Startup Repair, System Restore, and Command Prompt. Use Command Prompt to run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These repair corrupt files and component store issues. If startup errors persist, try Startup Repair. It automates. You finish by restoring or resetting Windows, depending on diagnosis and backups. If system restore points exist, use them first because they preserve apps and settings. If not, choose Reset this PC, select Keep My Files to retain personal data, or remove everything for a clean reinstall. The latter is best for stubborn corruption. Make sure BitLocker is suspended or the recovery key is entered before reset. One troubleshooting tip: if reset stalls, recreate the USB installer on another PC and retry. Media corruption is a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.